Making chicken broth in the Instant Pot is easy, and you can make a large amount in a short period of time. Welcome to A Great Cooker. Remember to subscribe, like, and share this video. In my case, making chicken stock in the pressure cooker was necessary because I had an overabundance of carrots and celery that I didn't want to go bad. But let me back up a bit. Earlier in the day, I was in the grocery store looking for missing ingredients so that I could make my chicken stock complete. Now back to making the stock. To the inner pot, add onion, garlic, celery, and carrots. Also add chicken and enough water to cover all of the ingredients. Select manual and set the timer for 20 minutes. Also, make sure the valve is set to sealing. Now, I don't suggest that you let the Instant Pot go for 7 hours like I did, unless you want your chicken to turn out really dried out. Remove the chicken and strain the vegetables. After being refrigerated, the fat can be skimmed off the top and the stock can be frozen for later use. Thanks for watching A Great Cooker.